Are you afraid of creating your first YouTube video? With a new channel, you might be thinking of how to get views on your first YouTube video. The process will take time and effort if you are looking to maximize your YouTube videos for free. But if you do it right, you will be rewarded with more views, a better user experience, and opportunities to grow your channel and audience viewership. With its large number of users, YouTube is one of the world's leading platforms for targeting viewers. The platform has the potential to reach billions. So how do you get more views on YouTube and encourage people to watch your content? Here are tips on how to do that. 1. Get YouTube organic views. YouTube has its own algorithms that are used to display the best and most relevant videos to users, much like Google's search results algorithms. In its algorithm, YouTube has a wide range of variables to determine which videos are best to be ranked at the top of its search results. Use YouTube titles that get views. Start your YouTube keyword research process. The title should be descriptive and interesting. Use keywords for the algorithm to sort for relevance and attract users to tell them what the video is about. You can use common YouTube SEO tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ to conduct the keyword research. 2. Write a good YouTube description. The video description is where you can tell the search engines and viewers about exactly what the video is about. As users will know what to expect in your video, this will help to increase the click-through rates and hence the views. Write a keyword-rich YouTube description. 3. Use YouTube tags. Many people are asking me whether it's beneficial to use YouTube tags or not. YouTube video tags help differentiate what your video content is about and help the algorithm to understand what users are going to see when they watch your video. This should represent the core of what your video is about. If you are having a new channel, the best way for people to find your videos is to use YouTube tags. When you have an established channel, optimizing your tags can help your search results rankings, and this is provided that you have a good content. 4. Create attractive YouTube thumbnail. In order to maximize your video views, make your thumbnail visual correspondent to your title and description. Thumbnails can help to increase your views whether they are on the results page or suggested videos section. Add YouTube closed captioning, as they appeal to foreign viewers, and the disabled closed captions can help to get more YouTube views. 6. Check popular YouTube videos. Popular YouTube videos are considered a huge potential for boosting your views. Keep an eye on the suggested videos section that appears on the sidebar and in the grid after video has been viewed. Create videos with more engaging tone that cover the same subject or with more information presented. 7. How to share YouTube videos. There are a lot of different sites where the content can be shared. Find the most relevant subreddits on Reddit and engage with the community there. You may use other social bookmarking sites such as Mix and Pinterest to increase the exposure of your videos. Remember that patience conquers everything. It takes some time to get a lot of views on YouTube. If you have a question, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.